Hey guys, it's Nick from F150LEDs.com. Today we're here in our 2021 Ford F150 series truck and we'll be showing you how to install our Mark II heads-up display system right here on your dash. And what it's going to do is display critical data onto your windshield, keeping your eyes up so you don't have to look down at your dash. So not only is it going to look fantastic, but it's going to improve your driving performance and most importantly keep you and your family safer. So we highly recommend the upgrade. It's easy to install and we're going to show you how it's done right now. The first thing that we need to do is connect our OBD2 cable to our OBD2 port, which is located here under the driver's side dash. So you line them up and you'll just push firmly in, making sure it's seated all the way in, just like so. Now connect your OBD2 cable directly to the HUD unit. Crank your vehicle so that the data display turns on. Now position the HUD to your preference. Once we identify your ideal mounting spot, remove the film from the adhesive feet and apply firm pressure down for about 30 seconds. Now we can apply the optional high definition film directly to our windshield. First, remove the layer labeled 1 on the protective film. Then apply the film directly to our windshield where our HUD data is presented. Using a driver's license, you can smooth out any bubbles from the film. Then peel back the protective layer labeled 2. Now we can hide our wire, and the first thing that you're going to want to do is remove this side panel by pulling up from the bottom and then along the edges, and this entire side panel will come away from the truck. We can tuck our wire in behind that and then reinstall our panel. Now, using a pry tool or carefully using a flathead screwdriver, you can push in your wire between the trim here on the upper dash. Now, if necessary, we can calibrate our HUD unit using the included instruction card. So all that we need to do is reach to the front of the unit and we can hold down on the control knob for about 5 seconds and it will enter settings menu. So this is settings menu 0 and it's set at 107. So you could come back to your card and see menu 0 is speed calibration. So depending on your truck, if you got bigger tires, smaller tires, or whatever the case may be, you may need to adjust this setting up or down to make sure it calibrates correctly with the correct speed on your speedometer. Okay, and you can go through with the same process for all of these settings following this card and the instructions. Now, the settings that we have are defaulted to fit most F-150 applications. But if you do, again, find that you need to modify, you can go into this menu mode, again, by holding down on the control knob for 5 seconds. And then, if pushing in will change your menu. So see, it's on menu 3, that is RPM speed alarm. So if you need to set alarms with your RPMs, you can. And you can cycle through all the menus. And if you need to change the parameter here on the right for your menu, you can cycle right, so you change it to 0, or left, 1. And then you can press in again and it go to the next menu and save your setting. And when you're done, you can hold down for 5 more seconds and you'll return to the main menu. So that's all there is to installing our Mark II heads-up display system right here on your 2021 and up Ford F-150 series truck. It's going to work across all trims and it's going to be a great upgrade to your driving experience because you're going to be able to keep your eyes up, not looking down, and overall going to increase you and your family's safety. So we highly recommend it. You can check it out right now at F150LEDs.com where you can find all of our custom-built LED lighting products built specifically for your Ford F-150. We truly appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you there. Thanks, guys.